Yes, AI news anchors are now a thing. A Kuwait media outlet has just introduced an AI news presenter called Fedha, created using AI.
ما هي نوعية الأخبار التي تفضلونها؟
AI news anchor Fedha appeared as a woman with light-coloured hair wearing a black jacket and white t-shirt. The move tested AI's potential to offer new and innovative content. The presenter's blonde hair and light-coloured eyes reflect the country's diverse population of Kuwaitis and expatriates. The presenter may develop to have a Kuwaiti accent and read online news bulletins. This latest AI newsreader, Fedha, actually isn't the first of its kind. China's first AI news presenter was Zhao Rong, who debuted on the state news agency Xinhua in 2018 and was modeled after an existing human reporter. Zhao Rong is part of an emerging group of digital AI news anchors that appear online and on television in China. Since his debut, this China AI news anchor now works 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. And more recently, only a few weeks ago, India AI news presenter Sana was announced. Sana debuted on Aaj Tak alongside journalist Sudhir Chidhari on the show called Black and White.
कि आज तक पर मेरा डेब्यू ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट के साथ हो रहा है.
Sana can present news several times a day in different languages. This AI news presenter in India, Sana, was described as a bright, gorgeous, ageless and tireless robot who can speak in multiple languages. Did you know that you can easily create your own AI avatar of yourself for free? Follow along with this tutorial here to learn how to try it out.
It's pretty fun, so give it a go. And hey, remember to hit subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more videos like this.
If you're not already aware, all news readers do just that. They read from a teleprompter. Next time you watch the news, take a look at the newsreader's eyes and you'll see they move from left to right as they read the script. Just like in the movie Anchorman.
I'm Ron Burgundy? Who typed a question mark on the teleprompter?
So personally, I think we'll see more and more AI news presenters and it will eventually become the norm. What do you think about AI newsreaders? Let me know in the comments below. But some problems I see with AI news presenters is that they can lack the human touch that a human presenter can bring to a news story. For example, they may not be able to convey emotions as well as a human presenter. However, AI presenters can also be beneficial in that they can work 24/7 without getting tired. This means that they can present news around the clock, which is especially useful for news outlets that operate in different time zones. They can also be used to present news in different languages. Now this is because AI presenters can easily be programmed to speak multiple languages, which can help news outlets reach a wider audience. Check out this video to see how to make your very own talking AI clone, and also subscribe to the channel so you can get more AI updates as they happen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.